This video is going to show you how to get the mean absolute deviation for this one. Now remember, when we did mean absolute deviation in class, we added up all the numbers, found the mean, then we figured out how far each number is away from the mean, and then we averaged those. And again, it's work that you can do. It's good work, but at the same time, if you're like me and you've got over 200 pieces of data that you're trying to sort through, that's a whole lot of numbers to do. So I'm going to show you an easy way to calculate the mean absolute deviation. So for this one, you're going to, again, need the exact same data. If you will go back and look at, if you have your cells that you need for your two populations. For me, my adults was D2 to D98. And again, to get that, I'm looking at my numerical data. D2 is my first adult cell. D98 is my last adult cell. And then D99 to D203 are my kid cells. So to get the mean absolute deviation, we're going to do the same formula like we did for mean, median, and mode, but this time we're going to type in equal sign and we're going to type in AVE. AVE, like average, AVE, DEV. That is average deviation, which is the same thing as mean absolute deviation. So AVE, DEV. And then you're going to do the exact same, open parentheses, and my cells are D2 to D98. Your cells are going to be different. Hit enter, and if you did it right, you should be good to go. And then you're going to do the same for your other population. Equal sign, AVE, DEV, open parentheses, 99 to D203. And that's how you get your average deviation. So my adults' average deviation is 0.8. My kids' average deviation is 1.6, almost double. And that actually shows, let me write this in, 0.8 and 1.6. And it actually shows up when I look at my box plot. My adults are definitely closer together, whereas my kids are more spread out. And that kind of fits. All right, so that is how we get the mean absolute deviation. The next video is going to show you how to find your IQR, your interquartile range.